Richard works at an auto parts warehouse in Burnaby, BC. His work involves keeping inventory of what parts are in stock, ordering new parts when stock is low, and delivering parts to various dealers. Often stock arrives and is stored on one level, but then is transported to a different level for loading into a truck. Since the parts are often too heavy to lift, a conveyor belt is used to move them. The conveyor belt needs replacing, and Richard must determine approximately what length of belt to order. He knows that the angle of depression from the upper floor along the conveyor belt is 38 degrees. The belt reaches the lower level at a point 6.1 further along the floor. How can Richard use similar triangles with a scale diagram to determine the length of belt he must order? We know that the angle of depression is 38, and in similar triangles, corresponding angles are congruent, so the angle of elevation is also 38 degrees. The conveyor belt is the hypotenuse. The 6.1 is the side adjacent. So we will use cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Cos 38 equals 6.1 over x. Multiply both sides by x. X times cos 38 equals 6.1. Divide both sides by cos 38. X equals 6.1 over cos 38. Using our calculator, we know that cos 38 is 0.788. Dividing, we get an answer of 7.74 meters. This is the length of one side of the conveyor belt. We will multiply by 2 to get 15.5 meters. This is the length of the conveyor belt that Richard needs to order.